Ladies and gentlemen, greetings, and welcome to another episode of the Up and Life Show. I'm your girl, Dilka Roneras, Dragon All Star and the Wheels of Steel, Breads, DJ Rick, Mad15Q, big up on himself. Anyway, another world one today. This is what we do every Tuesday between 9 and 11, and we're sponsored by the Granaries, located at 6 Overtons Yard in Croydon. Make sure that you check out their Instagram page for all their weekly events. That's the place to be. There's something for everybody. So, yeah, go over to the Granaries and check out the weekly events. Shout out to everybody that has joined us on our Instagram page, on our Facebook page, on the TGM Radio UK's app, as well as their TikTok page. Make sure that you give them a follow and you give them a support. Tell a friend for forward over here, so we have a bag of things to talk about. And yes, how are you, gentlemen?
Yeah, well, grown, you know.
Yeah? Are we a running girl?
Nah, man.
Nah, I'm ally.
Yeah.
The road more than white line, them say.
Eh?
Everything all right, man. You know, we're there and we are going with a vibe, you know.
Yes.
The summer start a bit lukewarm, you know, start and stop
It's getting
in terms of the party scene. So we're delving, we can talk about that a little more from this.
Yeah.
You know, like some of the party them kind of good, then some of them kind of not. You know, like it kind of a false start. Let me see what I go on. Some are not really here yet.
It kind of early. Remember, I said someone really starting on the weather.
The sun
the
even
we-
come out yet.
The sun is like, oh, hi, but
I don't
so
see.
forward. But my day again, so forward. Remember, I said someone really started.
Yeah.
But the weather has been weathering for
One
the
of
past
them
couple of
thing
days.
there, cause me see a little thing on the media what they right. Big up movie star Johnny anyway him there in that world. I don't know. Me see my campaign with this thing from what they right.
Yes.
Again.
Support start at the gate again. Him say the support start at the gate, meaning that if you're coming to support somebody,
Yeah.
you should pay at the gate, go in at the party and then go buy a liquor. Him attack everybody, promoters, DJ, everybody who's affiliated with dancehall.
Yeah.
You know, because sometimes affiliated with dancehall, you know, the promoter, you know, the DJ or whatever, certain people get in for free.
Yep.
Obviously, because you're a part of the industry.
Naturally.
What you guys take on that? Should the support start from the gate, as Johnny say, every party you go, you should pay go in, or there should be exception made for people who are a part of the industry?
Industry people, them, it's just part of the perks. If I want promoter to go to boom and say, yo, me a forward,
Yeah.
you can get the one man a plus for anybody that's have to pay. All if you can say, me, I say, me and Ted, they say, just, you can't say, yo, Brett, me and the team are forward. They say, you and such person good, everybody else pay. So you know, sir, you can, all if I say, 20 pounds, right,
Yeah.
if man a 10 pounds each. At least, you contribute to when you go in that party, you do your match, so
Yeah.
nothing wrong with that.
But look over the capital, right? We know we have loads of promoters over the capital. So if you have 20 promoters come to your party, or say 30 promoters, right?
Right.
And you give 30 promoters
Free
2 tickets
entry.
each. So you're giving away 60 complimentary tickets just to promoters.
60 times 20.
So plus you're gonna have DJ say, you have say 1x20 DJ as well.
Yeah.
Plus
Oh, no, DJ, no. For me, DJ have to pay them way, man. 'cause
D-
we can't
D-
go there.
DJ have to pay them ways. Because
Only some DJ we know you're good with.
so
Yeah.
it look like you have a route against DJ because
No, listen.
I think
Oh,
one
hold on,
and
hold
watch
on,
each
Bridget.
other, you know.
Listen, we're not,
One on the birds. I
Hold on,
think
Bridget,
one
hold on.
and watch each other because
No, listen, let me talk. We're not going to make it seem like say we versus them. The point is, promoter keep be a dance. And you promoter your God. So you going to 15, 20 dance for the year, and you don't pay. You give away 15, 20 tickets for your party. It's like you see me?
Barter
DJ them got. If you don't book, you're a patron, bro. I don't know you. It's a different.
but hold on, birds. Remember, say you have to be fair because you have DJ who are really have angle and have an angle in the game over here. So in terms of like they post the flyer, even if they're not booked, and because they're here, they're going to an event or they probably play at an early event and then direct the crowd to your event.
Yeah.
So what you're trying to tell me, say promoter should get in for free, right? And DJ should pay.
No, that's
And
different.
Hold on. And not for the time, because when I say each and watch each other, because I have an idea, not for the time. DJ come on a party. If the party don't turn out to like what you expect, you don't expect the DJ for cutting price. If it's charge a full price when him charge it first. You say, boy, DJ, and say what go on. Remember this and
This
tell the
one.
truth because not for the time.
All right, remember answer that.
Yeah, go on.
Firstly, DJs we normally book are people you know and everybody understand it. If something don't work, most DJ gonna say, yo, me not care. Your friend them way like say me and
Yeah.
your bridge in there and book it. Say, your bridge not going to sure. I'm gonna start roll up. You see me? But the general mass, if a man can say your bridge, you don't say, I come from an early party and me about 30 people are for what you can do. Logic, that's business. It's alright. 5 and her. That's yeah, bring me product.
Right.
So when the next day I keep on that say I forward now, I remember that. When I talk people, you try a DJ, you think you're privy for getting that event, bro.
Let me ask you a question. Who you feel say out on the road more DJs are promoter night to night? Night to night, event to event.
Bro,
Let me ask
most
you.
promoters on the road more than some DJ get book.
I'm asking you.
Alright, in our circuit,
And
All
do,
right.
do you mean
All right.
wait,
See, I'm
wait,
talking
No,
about the top DJs and the top
no.
promoters.
I think you need to explain that further. Do you mean DJs just attending parties
No,
for
no, no.
attending sake? So
the,
if you
the
if
top
it ex-
DJs who play at party and go party because most of the younger DJ
yeah.
who play at a dance and go dance go party
go
as
by
well.
yourself, then.
So who you feel like say
Sorry.
out on the road more?
Alright, let me explain to you. Wait.
Talking on the 5 phone.
Let me explain to you. Like, you know, understand what I'm saying.
Eh.
The DJ them I play every night, I basically listen to the DJ them. So it's a limited number of them. I have promoters go out 5 days a week.
That's true.
Go 5 days, you have promoter go on the
A
weekend.
lie I tell.
You have promoters go 5 days a
Dragon,
week.
give
Don't
Breds a
tell me lie,
chance
Matil. You have
to
promoters
respond,
that go out 5 days a week.
Mm.
Yeah, same and some DJ na play every day of the week.
Let me answer a
And then when
question.
we finish, bro, and then you have promoter we go Friday 3 dance, Saturday 3 dance, Sunday 2 dance. So if I'm going for the whole week,
Yeah.
them capitalize on the weekend. So don't do
Alright.
that, bro.
Quick question, right? Let's look across. Let's
Oh, when
look-
I say promoter, what mean
Well, I
people
know.
keep actual more than one event?
When I-
Not
when
just the,
yeah.
not the
We're
hustlers.
not,
as
we're
we
not,
normally
we're not straying away
think
from the
of.
point, but just looking South London, right? Can you not pick 10 DJ out of South London where you look and say, yo, they are a week in, week out DJ?
Bro,
May I ask you, can you yes or no? 10 DJs, because you say it's a few DJs we got a party all the time like promoter. May I ask you?
I wasn't even saying so.
Me just ask you.
Alright.
Me just a put
Alright.
one side
Mem-
as an example. You can name more than 10, right?
Give him
Where
a
say
chance.
gap
Bro,
give him
every
a
week.
chance
bro,
to
the
respond.
point I'm saying is this, yeah.
Breds, answer the question.
No, I'm
please.
answering guys. Boy, message here.
Yeah.
All right, you have Andrew, you have Lion Squad, them,
Mm-hmm.
you have Bagger,
Mm-hmm.
you have Gangster Kid.
Yeah. Gangster Kid is not South.
No, I
He-
was
Yeah,
he-
that's count.
No,
Yeah,
I-
make him
I
count.
wasn't
Make him
talking
do
about
count. Yeah,
stuff.
do your
Okay.
count. Yeah.
You have Archangel, me.
Yeah.
Mhm.
You have Johnny. You have even near them at times. At times, we say at times.
Do you go
Guys.
every single weekend?
Oh,
But
God.
but you see, prove my point. I'm saying to you, at times. No, may I say
What do you mean?
during
at
the
time?
week? During the week.
He goes out every week.
So that you know, my number them.
Yeah, but you're
Yeah, but-
saying
but
at
no,
time.
no,
anyway,
no,
Continue.
continue.
Me just never
Continue.
like the addition of at times.
No, no,
Continue,
at time
number
means
one.
in midweekend. Me say they go Monday to Friday.
Yeah,
I
but
don't
alright.
see. But no weekend
Yeah,
active.
yeah. Go on. Yeah.
You have
Uh-huh.
you have Oliver Corey. You have Classic. We play some my times in the week and play definitely upon the weekend.
Right.
10 that my gone already. So I'm could have think about more. There's more. Me even call Andrew Fresh name it.
You did. That was
Did
the
I?
first
Did I
name
call
you
him
said.
his
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
You have enough people who actually play out, bro.
Like,
and if for me, I think about DJ I play out here. But me can't say that myself, yeah.
yeah.
I will show you something. I tell you, say there's much more DJ there, but most of them play on the weekend.
All right. You're more familiar with promoters. Could you call some promoters where everybody know where we see out
Right
every
about
week?
now, the promoter.
Call about 10. Call
me
10.
can't call none.
That's why I call 10,
Me
no?
can't call none.
That's why I ask to call 10.
Me
10
can't call
promoters. I'm not talk about somebody will keep
One
one
here.
and two party here and there.
All right.
Season
All right.
promoters.
Firstly, yeah.
People who are real
me can't
promoters.
call 10, but me can tell you in generalizing speaking. Most of
So
them,
all
Let
you
me
say
finish,
promoter
bro.
is more
most
entitled.
of the people me keep running up in here.
Yeah.
For they keep them run them out every night too. Them got other run-up-ins. You see me, run them alone, sure say there's a few people in a run
Yeah.
everywhere. But the way my chest it is this. As a promoter, promoters keep more dance, yeah, than a DJ keep dance. DJ got dance, them have to get paid. They're going to work. They just get up and come out of them
Promoter
house.
keep party and make money.
Bro, listen,
It's
man.
an argument, my boy.
No, promoter have to put him before
It's
them
not about who gets
let,
who.
let me
It's one
finish, bro.
industry.
Let me finish, bro. Promoter have to go to them yard and put out money to them pocket. Till them dance, cause them if they make back that money there. A DJ come to them yard, forgot if most DJ them not book them not come to them yard.
Right.
Most. And that's not even say a lie me I tell.
That's a lie.
So Dragon, you
Cap.
out, hold on.
You're capping, bro.
You out Monday to Friday?
Me?
Yeah.
Me not want Monday to Friday.
Alright,
but
stop,
me
stop,
out,
stop,
me
stop,
out
stop,
four to
stop,
seven
stop,
at least.
Stop.
Remember,
Stop,
me not
bro.
there run enough now.
Bro,
Me out
no,
4 to 7.
stop.
Me I tell you.
But that's the thing. But a promoter will keep a dance.
Yeah.
Them have out most of the week because them aside. I pick the dancer. If they miss a Monday or Tuesday, from Wednesday back to Sunday, them outside again because them promote them dance. And the more of them. When you go dance, you see be a board. Like boards on boards, bro. Where you talk about my
But promotion is different, bro.
No, but no, the point I'm making is that because them got other people dance. Yeah. And I'm on say, yo.
So when them party
Bro,
gone and
let
stop
me
them,
finish.
stop
No,
going party
no,
now.
no,
Yeah.
no, no, no.
Me just, I'm just saying because you say
No,
promotion.
No, but may I try to show you something, say, yeah? Them out there, man keep that September,
Yeah.
them out there from January. And them still go back to the people dance for them dance, yeah? A DJ, most DJ from the book, them they really want to go nowhere. Them probably got them friend event, don't get it twisted. But most of them now go to the road. I promote a love party anyway towards promoting, so them want to go out. Bro, I'm from break them make it more party, but I'm still go party when I can. And my situation changed because of circumstances. But normally I'm outside though. But the point I'm making is when me do Bang on Friday weekly, promoters come there every week. Every single week. So you're gonna try to say, yeah, but the giving tickets and whatever, yeah. If you know a DJ, you can give him. You don't have to give him, because if you book a DJ, you have to pay him. If nothing fuck up or whatever. Initially, they might get paid. Every DJ come to them yard for go and dance, it's a paid outing.
All right, Bridge, we could argue about this topic all night.
Are you watching like a DJ and promoter thing?
Well, I know. Let's not divert from the point. Do you think support start from the gate? You think promoter
because
I think it starts before.
Not necessarily.
Because I have an
I
idea.
think it starts before. Sorry to cut you.
Yeah.
I think it starts before in terms of
How?
promoting the event on social media.
So do you need to promote somebody event if you're not book and you're not enough to do with it?
So then why you want to get them man dance for free?
I'm asking.
No, but we're speaking about the topic of support.
Yeah.
If you give me a chance to respond, you'll understand where I'm forwarding from. We're talking about support for support. It doesn't.
Yeah.
Movie star Johnny in his video said that it starts at the gate. I think it starts online. Because you see the man party or you see the lady party, you see the promoter party, or Zine, the party are gone. Repost. It doesn't take you 2 seconds. Repost on the gram. Send it in a one group.
But I disagree with that.
The other aspect of it,
the
other aspect of it is, yeah, if me not book on your party as a DJ, I'm a promoter. Yeah, we are friends. But if me a support him, I go buy my ticket.
Look here. Hold on the rest. So you say start online. Right. You see, if you post somebody thing, that's off your discretion because remember.
But it's me supporting.
Hold on. Your social is your social. You do it if you want to. You know what we classify as support?
What do you classify as support?
All right, as me classify as support,
Yes.
see? Because I have an idea, a lot of people might twist this thing. You see, not for the people who in a dance hall.
Mm-hmm.
They go down as unsung hero because them are the little quiet man, them come all of the part of them.
Yeah.
Pay them money come in. Them now beg no friend from nobody and go buy them buckle.
Yes.
And them they out 7 out of 7.
Okay.
Not because them now dash. Because watch here, let me show you a vibe. Yeah, we have this man here. And because I'm affiliated with certain stuff people, people know him in the street and him dash one 30 pound and them big him up and feel like say he's a shit. But
right.
him coming at all I party for free. And I'm in friend they make up and buy liquor.
Right.
And you have a man where come I party with 2 and 3 girl. And him take him time and go in, buy him liquor, buy him table, and him just hold him spot. Him not doing money pull up thing cause the film to give him more laid back.
Right.
And them people not gonna just in a dance hall. So that's what you call support. And in terms of certain thing, promoter, not for the time, certain promoter look past some of them people. Because what you know, here we have some people. You have woman and man at dance hall. Them a got some of them events for years. And them bring people from other side, other walks of life over into dance hall.
Okay.
And them a pay them money going. Them now beg for discount.
Okay.
Them now ball on the price. Them a come in, them a buy them liquor, them a buy them table.
Right.
So that's what I call support. You see if somebody post a flyer, thank you, that's an extra. Because remember, promoting somebody's party is not supporting. Not because me post a party every day means that I'm entitled for a free ticket. Right?
That's true.
It doesn't mean that.
And I didn't mean my intention.
And a promoter, hold on before you cut me off. I think a promoter, if you want to give free, or somebody feel like them entitled for a free ticket or them want to ask for free ticket, it depends on the relationship that you have with that promoter.
Okay.
Because, for instance, if my friend keep a dance,
right,
or somebody who me affiliated with, and say, yeah, me and them go them with it.
Yeah.
Yeah, me can say, yo, bro, I want 2 ticket. Me a part of industry, blah, 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 blah.
Let me just clarify.
But at any idea, me I go in there and me say, all right, me I go spend some money, me I go support, blah, blah, blah.
Can I clarify my statement in regards to the whole reposting? I'm not saying that we repost it to get free tickets. That wasn't the intention. For me, it starts online. Like, yes, it's out of the goodness of my heart and ray, but I'm supporting your event. I might not be available on the date, but me I post it so other people can see the date, and then I say, oh, Bread's party I keep over the date there, you know. So yeah, that's me showing support. Yeah. People show support in different ways. Your vision of support or your meaning of support may be different from me, may be different from Bread. So that's what we have to understand.
You just say start where I say, if you no book for the dance, you have to promote it, right?
Yeah.
Fair enough. So if you no book for my dance, you pay for coming too. Fair enough. So what the problem? This is the point.
No problem.
So then why you arguing the case when me say, if me not know you, you are patient for the night?
Depend on the relationship.
No, but I said that from the start. I said if me you're good, we're good regardless.
Yeah.
But if me not good as a person, or even some, we have some people when we know you. So you talk about people coming a party and support and I say nothing. It's some of them same people after a while. And them keep, I start know them coming a party now.
Yeah.
Them start do the same thing. Some people start out with pain, cause say it starting now. Till they get used to you, and then no want this and that and blah blah. If you see somebody coming a party every time, anything you keep, no matter weight keep, much people there, they'll start like dance with you. At good customer service and business etiquette, you have to say your ass. Next dance I keep, you treat ticket, boom. I matter of fact, when I fall me, I get a buckle. You know why?
Do it to a simple man. I know that for fact.
Yeah, it depends on
promoter now do it to a simple man.
Depends on the relationship.
Jagan, you don't know what promoter do.
Who ever give a buckle? We simple man ever give a buckle for free of cost?
Enough people.
May I ask you, because he's a returning customer. Not because of somebody who have a name in a dance hall. Who ever give a buckle?
I'm just telling you, enough people. Or
some free ticket.
You have girls that come on party every time, and them ask you them buy a ticket. Them even.
Yeah.
Them even ask about free ticket ever.
Yeah.
Right. And I say, you know what? Yo, you know, for some ticket. And I'm like, yeah, sure, bro. And hear them say to me, remember I say, yeah, they think I have to pay a fee, support. I'm saying, no, I'm going to give them. And they see next time, them still buy. You know why? Some people understand and say, you have to spend money to do this shit. Some people know say you do it, and they don't give a crap.
And that aspect, aspect of things, that helps to build the relationship. It's a networking perspective, if you can look at it from that way. And that will help to build a relationship, because if I'm forwarding to your party on my own accord, I buy my ticket, I always hail you up. Well, not because I want you to see me, but because of your event. Yeah. Out of courtity. And you say, raw, you know, say always I forward on my party, sit you to
People do that.
Event.
We do that, bro.
People do it. And I think that's
a DJ, we never forward and say, bro, you know, say about 50 times for 20 times of the year, me I get a free play. Most of them won't do that, bro. They don't care if them play for your christening, funeral, any form of situation. If you say one day, yo, dog, I beg you to play. No, all right. You see, all right. People like Mix, Andrew, Bagger, Dio. Who else me that say?
Can put KJ in it?
No.
KJ play every weekend?
No.
Well, make him dig him all. Make him talk.
I'm glad to say KJ, yeah. I always remember call classic. Why doesn't him go on himself? You see them people, eh?
Yeah.
Cause the climb let it free, my boy. What there?
We never go.
You don't know me that's
and that's how why.
True.
It's them people,
Yeah.
Like them understand and show. Me never show men on my bridging.
Yeah.
There is a different, but me not see them as DJ with pressure promoter, to be fair. Them man they just play and cut.
Yeah.
It's some DJ them wait and clear a place with the two if they have to. But the point I make it this year, it come back down to your personal relation with the person, as they say. But majority of the time, for DJ say, yo, call and say, yo, dog, me a forward their party, as we say, I say, but made up on the same network. You never give me a one post. Even say the flyer come out. In the room, enough DJ will play one dance, bro. I know say I keep a dance. And I say, yo, which dance on? You say, the table dance on. I'm not like a table, but more go somewhere else. You think if I tell you, say, yo, my dance on?
Well, my address for birds just say a while ago. So, you see, I would have things a while ago. So, firstly, more address the support for supporting.
Yeah.
When movie star Johnny say, I don't think that's gonna end up for long.
Never get held up.
I don't.
But it's a topic that comes up every year.
It come up every year, but at the end of the day, it can look upon like yo, because me I keep my event more and more people pay come in, cause more people pay come in, the more money me make, right? If you stick this out, right through, no drop off, pay going to every party, I commend him, right? But anytime him drop off and him a ball feet and all, you see me? That's what people more beat him because all I know.
Oh, you gonna know. Same
All I know. Because some promoter them not like them thing and them attack them thing because of an idea and for them turn forward run because remember the dancehall thing come like round robin and basically this is like a round robin concept. Exactly. Them a try bring in a dancehall, right?
Right.
And an idea the support for support thing. I don't believe in it. I don't believe in it support for support culture. All I know. I don't believe in it. You see, if you want to go to enjoy yourself, or you see a party where you say, yo, that party I look good, it all shot. Promote it with a you see the support thing because you know it bring a little, we call it. It bring a clique in a dance hall. It a clique up everything say, yo, their money and their money are good. So
it's been like that though.
And them money man them go over the sub card them friend. Yo, it shouldn't be like that. It should be if you have a good party and you're pushing out a good event, people should come out regardless to come support it because you're doing good and it's a good event and you have a good venue, you have good DJ and people feel safe, right?
But I really
hold on there. You say a point where women never like where you say, oh, some of them DJ, oh, when the party done, they come let them want to clean the place with you. Remember this.
But Jagan.
Hold on, birds. Hold on, birds. Let me adjust the point before you talk. Hold on there. Remember, say, when you and a DJ going into a agreement, a deal, right? You say a deal, you say, yo, I'm going to play for you for X amount of money.
Right.
That means that when I done work, you should not depend on your part to pay me. You should have my money. Because at any idea, we don't go in an agreement, right? So pay me, I'm going to go on. So at the end of the day, we understand, say, dancehall, you work off a barter or whatever, and people use them discretion. Right. So most of the time, a DJ will come in your party, and you know what thing go. Most of the promoter them, if we say, yo, give me 350, me I get 3 bills. No matter how the party ram and whatever. So that's why, not for the time, a DJ, I say, yo, me not pay in your party because him know say, you owe him a little favor a couple times. Hold on, my dog. And I saw you go. Enough DJ because promoter keep repeating. I'm not saying DJ we never do business with from Adams. Him supposed to come in your party gate and go and like say, yo, him want to come in. That's why I say these things work on relationship with the promoters. You get what I say? You never said it. I mean, say it. Stop jumping on my thing.
I did.
See?
Why? I did.
But
I said to you, if
that's what I say, my boy.
If the person is good, then they have to pay.
It's not about good. It's a relationship. It's not about you and a person good.
When they say someone is good, that means they have not in a relation at all.
Me and somebody can chat every day. I know him, but me and him never do no farmer business. Me never go in party.
Yeah, you have no good situation. It's simple.
It don't mean say I'm entitled for going on event for free. You get what I say? So I want them thing.
Pink from Manchester, big up yourself. Clarendon link up boss. She says support for support doesn't work, and for her, good promotion will always get her support.
All right, what you say? You see, every time we talk about a situation, a dancehall, and a DJ in the conversation, you get to a point where no matter what nobody say, no wrong for wrong. Bro, you literally said it, bro. I say it already, I'm going to say it again. I'm going to say it in English instead of saying it in Patois. If you on a DJ ain't got no formal relation with nothing, you not owe him nothing. Like him not owe you nothing.
That's
true.
And
I said again, when I said them there, they are wait for you. They're waiting for their money. This is how dancehall is.
And that shouldn't be the case.
No, you wait at the end. And
you shouldn't be the case.
It shouldn't be the case. But
when I don't pay your party,
no, it don't matter. Oh, you get here. You getting paid. You say no one left. Yeah, wait for your money. I say okay. Boom, me check off whatever. You get your money. It's there.
You shouldn't check off.
But all I know.
Should I pay me? You shouldn't wait till they check off.
Stop. Because I said the round robin thing.
Even no.
Let
you
me
guys
bro,
are
let me finish, bro.
I'll start making
it's
Brett
a
finish
thing,
his point, please.
Yeah, some DJ, I'm gonna say something. I say, all this time I have. If you're not in the sun, bro, why are you talking like that? The thing is, you don't want nobody say nothing where DJ do wrong. Them perfect. Them not do nothing wrong.
Saying that.
Every time we talk about DJ and promoter whatever, you want get at everybody else with them fall, but only not no flaw. The point is, when I try to say this, they wait for their money. And some DJ will just say, yo, dad, link me tomorrow, yeah? We're good, you have a bank account, boom.
Because you and them a friend, that's what that's a relationship.
It's not friend alone, because I work with DJ.
Because I don't know if I link me tomorrow, money now.
Bro, listen.
He's out now.
I work with DJ before,
Yeah.
Where, so yo, my gone, my circle. Because the man say, yo, or them say, them don't say, the party still on, I hear their thing, and them good, and them cut, because them I say, them I get the benefit of the doubt. While some man, I go wait. Some man not gonna leave. And you can't stop them for that. I'm not complaining for that. The point I'm making to you, when a DJ come time house, him come to get paid. So when him go one man dance, I must be pay, him pay. If me or you, and you come on my dance, you come for free, we call it quits. Because we have that part in common where I say, okay, I'm going to turn up. But if me not owe you nothing, and you me pay and you come on my dance one time, and you come on my dance and you say, in a book and you forward, you pay the money to you.
Yeah, no.
What's in a lie?
Well, yeah, no. Well, no.